Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to clear the cache on the Line app on your phone. Clearing the cache helps improve the app's performance and frees up storage space. First, open the Line app on your phone. Next, tap on the settings icon located at the top right. Then, from the menu, select Chats. Then, scroll down until you find the Delete Data section and tap on it. After that, you will see the cache option. Tap on Clear next to it and confirm your action by tapping Clear again. This will remove temporary files and free up space without affecting your important messages. Finally, after clearing the cache, your Line app should run more smoothly, and you will notice better performance during daily use. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more useful tips.